Hello everyone, I am Ava. Today, I'm excited to tell you about my wonderful family. Let's get started. Steam rising, the start of a new day. The kitchen is quiet. I like this moment. A fresh start, one cup at a time.
Good morning. Is the tea ready?
Good morning. The tea is almost ready.
That smells really good.
Yes, it does. I added fresh ginger. Eva, wake up. It's morning.
Mom, I needed 5 more minutes.
Time to rise, sweetheart.
Okay, Mom.
Mom, toast in my lunch, right?
Yes, but only one slice today.
One? That's not enough.
There's an apple, too.
Okay, Mom.
So, what is everyone's plan today?
I have a big presentation at work.
Math test.
And I will manage everything at home.
Looks like it's going to be hot today.
Make sure you drink enough water.
Can we go to the pool after school?
I will join later after finishing some office work.
Eva, no phones at breakfast.
Okay, Mom, I will put it down.
Good. Eat your toast while it's still warm.
Got it.
Everything looks ready. I hope the meeting goes well today.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye. See you in the evening.
Good morning, everyone. Today I will present our new project strategy.
Sounds great, Eva.
Our goal is to improve customer engagement.
Sir, I led the project and completed it on time.
Excellent work.
Thank you, sir. I really appreciate it.
Have you prepared for the maths test?
Yeah, I studied a little, but I'm still nervous.
Have you prepared well?
Not really. I'm still nervous.
What did you bring for lunch today?
I have toast for lunch today.
I will make fresh snacks before everyone gets home.
Mom, the test went great.
Really? That is wonderful news.
Yes, I answered all the questions.
I am so proud of you.
Mom, I am exhausted today.
Don't worry, I made hot tea for you.
Guess what? The project got approved today.
Wow, that is wonderful, Dad.
Tea is ready, everyone.
Perfect way to end the day.
I really needed this break.
Dad, let's go play cricket.
After tea, Harry.
The weather is perfect today.
Perfect day for a walk.
I am faster. I will catch it first.
Not so fast, Ava.
Look at the sunset. The sky is so orange.
Beautiful. Nature doesn't need any edits.
Perfect way to end the day.
Can we run to the swings before it gets dark?
Be careful with that knife, Ava.
Don't worry, I am a pro now.
Last time, a carrot almost escaped the cutting board.
Haha, don't remind me, Mum.
Everyone, dinner is ready.
Great. I am really hungry.
The food smells amazing.
What did you make, Mom?
Your favorite pasta.
Yes, best dinner ever.
I can't wait to taste it.
Come on, let's start dinner.
Okay, everyone, let's clean up together.
I will take the plates to the sink.
I will wash them.
Ugh, this math is so tricky. Why do we even need fractions? We'll never get this.
Don't say that. You just need to practice a bit.
But it's so confusing.
Confusing at first, yes. But once you try, it's easy.
Let's watch the news. I want to see what's happening today. Come on, everyone. Let's watch the evening news together.
Just a few more shirts. Almost done. Folding clothes can actually be quite relaxing. Everything looks so organized now. Time for our evening show.
Everyone grab a seat.
I might fall asleep.
Don't doze off yet.
After this, it's bedtime.
Good night, everyone. If you liked this video, please like and subscribe for more simple English stories. Thank you for watching. See you next time.